Let's make a salad. To the ingredients: 4 cucumbers, an entire purple onion, thinly sliced, tomatoes, diced, the zest of 1 lemon, and the juice. 10 slices of bacon, cooked, and then chop it up. 1 cup of roasted salted sunflower seeds. Now we gotta make the dressing. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, garlic powder, onion powder, dried parsley, dried chives, dill, lemon juice, sea salt, black pepper. Just like that. Now back to the salad. Roughly chop up 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Add 1 tablespoon of that to the salad. Now take your dressing and only add a cup. You can add more as you go, but you can't take it away. The 1/4 cup of sour cream. This is going to help it be more creamy. Give it a mix. 2 cups of shredded cheddar. Give that a mix. Add the remainder of your dill to the top. Let's eat. Now that's a salad. Cucumber, bacon, ranch salad. Y'all better go make it. It's so good.